Okay, so sorry. This is my third attempt at doing this problem for you. So this is number 1 on your homework, and it is 4x plus 5y equals 3, and negative 3x plus 2y equals 38. And I have the lovely Alexis here helping me do this problem because my first 2 attempts did not upload to YouTube. So, Alexis, which variable would you like to cancel first?
Well, golly gee, Miss V, I guess we'll have to use, let's cancel out the y first.
Oh, you're going to cancel out the y's. Okay, in class we chose to cancel out the x's. So this will be great because they'll see that they can do either one. So Alexis, what is a number that 5 and 2 can go into?
I'm thinking of the number 10.
Oh, you're so smart. So if I have a 10y and a negative 10y, those 2 would cancel out, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So how are you going to magically make 5y become 10y?
Multiply it by 2.
Oh my gosh, you're so smart. Times 2, times 2, times 2. I'll have to tell your mother how proud I am of you. And then how are you going to get get 2 to become negative 10?
Oh my, that's kind of difficult. Let's see.
Oh, I think you can do it.
I'm thinking maybe add a negative in front and then make it a 5.
Negative 5. Negative 5. Oh, let's cross our fingers and see if she's right.
Oh.
So negative 3 times negative 5 is 15x. And 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Oh my gosh, she got that right.
Oh, good.
And then 38 times negative 5 is negative 190. Whoops, let's scoot these over.
Oops.
Negative 190. Okay, and let's multiply the top. We had 4x times 2, which is what, Alexis?
4x times 2 is 8x.
8x. 2 times 5y is
10y.
So we need to put our plus sign in there. And then 2 times 3, ooh, this is the hard one. See if you can figure that out. What is that?
Is it a 6, Miss V?
Oh, so proud. I'm going to call your mother and send her a note. Okay, so now, Alexis, what did you make eliminate one another?
The 10y's.
Okay, good. And now what do we do?
Now we add everything else up.
And let's scoochie everything over a little bit so that we're... Oh, my goodness, what is going on here? Come over here.
That's a neat system
Come,
you've got,
isn't that
Miss
nifty?
V.
Look at that. Okay. Oh, hell's bells. Okay. Oh, I can't say that. Never mind. Here, let's move that back over. Ah, it's like Halloween's already here. Okay, there we go. All right, so now let's add that up. Okay, so what's 8 plus 15?
8 plus 15 is 24.
Oh, what?
It is.
She meant to say 23, of course. X equals, what's 6 minus 190?
Negative 184.
Oh my goodness. Okay, good. And then you need to do what to solve for X?
Divide, of course.
By?
23.
And your answer is positive or negative?
It would be negative, miss.
Negative, and it would be negative 8.
Woo!
Okay, so that's our X value. Now, Alexis, once you have your X value, what, pray tell, do you need to do with that?
Well, since you have the X value and there are X's in your problem, I think it would be smart if you plugged it in.
Plugged it in? To what?
To the X's in your problem.
Oh.
It might help for later.
Let's scooch all this mess up so it's out of our way. Okay, let's move. Oh, Betty. Let's move that up. Oh, like that. Okay, move that up there. And then we've got this. Let's scoot that over there. We don't need that right now. Okay, and then which equation did you want to plug into, the first or the second?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I picked the top one.
Excellent. Okay, so we're going to pick 4x plus 5y equals 3. 4x, let's pick a different color, shall we? 4x plus 5y equals 3. And now we're going to plug in negative 8 for the x right there. So, 4 times negative 8 plus 5y equals 3. What's 4 times negative 8, Alexis?
Negative 32.
Oh my goodness. Plus 5y equals 3. And if I'm going to move that negative 32 to the other side, how would I do that?
You would add 32, so these two would cancel out.
We would add 32, and we can cancel from that side. And we got to scooch everything again. Let's move that up there. Okay, so now I have 5y equals what?
Equals 35.
35. And then what do I do to solve?
You divide by 5.
And what is 35 divided by 5? Dun, dun, dun.
7.
7. Okay, so our solution that we're going to check is...
If x equals negative 8 and y equals 7.
Excellent. Okay, so now let's see if we can get a clean area to work with. Let's just scoot all this out of the way. Isn't that fantastic? Okay, so let's rewrite our two original equations again. You have them on your paper, but I don't. So our two original equations were 4x plus 5y equals 3 and negative 3x plus 2y equals 38. Okay? And we're checking the numbers negative 8 and 7. Correct?
Yes.
I hope?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay. All right. So what color should we pick to check, Alexis? Black.
Black
For
like
Halloween.
the night.
Black like the night. There we go. Let's pick black like the night. Okay. So we're going to check first the first equation, then the second equation. So, Alexis, 4 times, what's 4 times negative 8?
Negative 32.
Negative 32. And we have 5 times, what's my y value?
7.
7. And that should equal 3. What's 5 times 7?
35.
And what is negative 32 plus 35?
It's 3!
Oh, my gravy. It's so exciting. Okay, and let's check the second one. So let's move that up. Okay. Okay, negative 3. What's your x value?
Negative 8.
Plus 2 times your y value
7.
equals...
38.
Good. Let's check. So negative 3 times negative 8 is what, Alexis?
24.
2 times 7 is what?
14.
For the bonus round, what is 24 plus 14?
Oh my goodness, it's 38!
No! Oh, it's so exciting. Do the happy dance. Yes. So negative 8, 7 is the answer to this problem. We have solved it. We have checked it. Life is glorious. Now go on and solve number 2 through 6, please. See you tomorrow.
We'll be waiting. Goodbye.
Bye.